Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckinridge County High School Principal Adam Cox. This is Monday, August the 26th. I'm going to give just a little rundown of what all this week has in store and a little maybe review of what happened last week. I would like to start off and congratulate the Lady Tiger volleyball team. They were victorious this weekend at the Apollo Summer Slam, which is one of the biggest tournaments in the state of Kentucky, which features top teams in Western Kentucky. So a great job for our ladies. They beat Paducah Tillman and Christian County in pool play, and then they defeated Taylor County, Central Hardin, and University Heights in the tournament in order to win that. So great job, ladies. They are now 7-0 on the season, and really excited about what their season has in store for them. So good luck to them. Today is Picture Day, so if you're getting this message quick enough, you can come prepared for that. There will be a makeup day. I do not have that date this time, but I will let everyone know of that date when it comes available to me. Tomorrow night we have an Alive at 25 here at the high school. That is a new requirement for all students to get their driver's license. So that is from 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock in our library. On Wednesday night we will be having our senior one stop, and that's just a great night for all of our seniors, parents, and seniors to come out, go over. Our guidance counselors will go over scholarships, ACTs, just various things that all the seniors need to know during the school year. So it is this Wednesday night. That is 6 o'clock in our auditorium. So please come out and watch it. If you want some more information on that, just call here at the school. Phone number here is 270-756-3080, and we'll be more than happy to help you. But do plan on coming out here if you're a senior parent. Come out to the senior one stop on Wednesday night here at the high school. We will be doing our second week of our interventions this week for our ACT. That'll be on Tuesday and Wednesday. So we're using a new company called Magoosh. Your child will have access to that at home to help with their ACT. So please ask them about that. Then we'll also be having our interventions for our core content classes, and that'll be starting on Thursday and Friday. Athletics this week, we'll have our soccer team will be in action 3 times. They will be hosting Fort Knox tonight. They'll be hosting Warren Central Tuesday night, and then they are hosting Warren East Thursday night. All games are at Tiger Field here at the high school. I mentioned earlier our volleyball team will be in action this week. They have 2 district games this week. They'll be playing at Cloverport on Tuesday night, and they'll be at Hancock County on Thursday night. Our JV football team will be in action tonight at Fort Knox, and then our varsity football team will be in action Friday at Metcalfe County. This Friday we'll have Club Day, where all of our clubs will get to meet and nominate their prince and princess, queen and king nominees for next Friday night's homecoming game against Webster County. So that is always a fun and exciting day here at the high school, but that will be this Friday. Will be our club day. There will be no school next Monday, September the 2nd. That'll be Labor Day. And that concludes this week's Tiger Minute. So I will leave you how we start every day here at the school. Everybody work really hard. Have a great day and be a champion.